Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro 2022 not important. Now this is a recent problem that I've come across with the editing app Premiere Pro CC, and in this video I'll be showing you how to fix the problem of not exporting. Let me show you what it really looks like. It's frustrating sometimes. This is the Adobe Premiere Pro CC right here. When you open it, looks like this. You can open a project, for instance, and then it loads, and then here's a screen. It's quite fast if you have the recent version. But now the problem comes here at this stage. Now when you, let's say you load a project, right? Let's say we have a project here. All right, mine is empty. Let me load a project right here. Let's say I load this project. Okay, I'm gonna let me load the project now. Right, if I did this, then I load this project right here. Sorry. If I load this project right now for work, okay, I'm just going to copy and paste it right here quickly. If I load a project in Adobe Premiere Pro CC right here, and I want to export the project, right? Let's say it's loaded, the editing is complete, and I want to export this product right here, or this project right here. It's all complete. The moment I click on here, file, I go to export, I click on media, then I select my settings right here. My settings, let's say this, I go to head to 64, right? I go right here, I choose this file format. I also choose the byte rate, I choose the title of the video, and let's say it's all good, it's all looking good, it's the way I want it to be. Problem comes now when you choose to export, when you want to export this project right here. So when you want to export the project, you look down here, it says export. When you export it, it says it's counting right here, but you can see in the true sense it could take a long time to export. Sometimes it ends at this level here and doesn't go any further. Now it's working, but sometimes it doesn't work. So if you have this problem, what do you do? That's the reason I'm making this video right here. If this is your problem, how to fix this is very simple. What you do here is, mine has already been fixed, so mine is working. Okay, but if yours is not yet fixed, what do? You have to simply go to Creative Cloud, um, right here to Adobe Creative Cloud. Here, you click right here and you log in with your login details. You can see I'm already logged in right here. This is my profile right here. I'm logged in. So once you log in here, this is what you get. You get a screen that looks something like this. This is my downloaded version of Adobe Creative Cloud on desktop. So it looks like this, but the website looks very similar as well. So use the website, or you can download it. Is they both work, whichever you use, website or download, right? So when you open the Creative Cloud page, it looks like this. You can see the apps that you've downloaded right here. You can see the Premiere Pro right here has got if you go to open, you can open it. If you go right here to the three dots by the right, you can see here it says manage plugins, it says learn more, it says other versions. Yes, so I noticed yesterday that this was having a problem with the other versions. It was on the latest version here, and this was the one with problem. So I decided to use an older version of Premiere Pro CC, and that was the one that worked for me. So I would say to you, in this case, I advise you to go to an older version of the application. Let's say if it's on this one, you go to an earlier version, which is more primitive actually, but it works. Go to another one like this. let's say let's go with 2019. Let's go with this one here. You can install. This is already installed. You can see mine is to the a previous version right here. So you can go and install uh, a previous version, to see if it works for you. Once you install it, what happens is it uninstalls the current version and reinstall and installs the new version which you've chosen. And once that happens, you can try to export. I did mine yesterday because mine was on the latest version, which wasn't working. It wasn't working, so I was really frustrated. I had to go to um, a very old version right here. I chose this version, and it worked. It worked okay. This one worked, so I was happy with it, and I think right now it still works for me. So that's how to fix the issue of not exporting. There are various reasons why it's not exporting. Sometimes because your memory is low, but if your memory is okay, your laptop is okay, your PC is good. The thing, the issue could be from the software itself. Most times they have upgrades that run once in a while, so the upgrades could interrupt, various settings, generally. So that's the reason why that happens. If you go online, you can have a look at this problem, and you can see that it's a very common problem with Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Recently, I would say it's been having that issue. If you go to research to Adobe Premiere Pro, uh, not exporting, right? Not exporting. See here, people have written several things about that, already. And it tells you here, do this and do that. But I found so far that what really works is going to an older version. So that works just fine. So guys, how to fix the issue of Adobe Premiere Pro not exporting. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a try and what you find in the comment section. All right, and don't forget to like if it's helpful. If you like the video, please like and share, comment and subscribe, and share with people who have the same problem so they can solve it. And let's get on. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate your support. For now, it's a wrap.